Check this.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Shroompled. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 simple ways on how you can free up storage on your computer. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, first thing you want to do is go to this little bar that says type here to search. You want to do %, TEMP, enter. This will just bring up a bunch of temporary files that you do not need at all, basically. So you can just highlight all of them and then hit delete, and then it will delete all of these items. And yeah, I will see you guys once this is done. Okay guys, as you can see, it's basically done. This is just one thing that it didn't delete, but I mean, hey, that basically deleted most of it. Okay, the second thing you want to do is you want to go to this PC, you want to go to the OS, you want to right click it, you want to hit properties. Now there are two things, these are the last 2 things you can do. Basically you can hit disk cleanup and it will clean up your disk, and you can check which files you want, like recycle bin, not anything else though. I just want recycle bin for now, and you can check off which files you want it to get rid of on your disk, on your hard disk or your SSD or whatever. And then you hit OK, and it asks, do you want to permanent delete these files? Some of them you don't want to delete, but so just double check before, but the recycle bin is fine, so I'm just going to delete the recycle bin files. And I will see you guys once this is done. Okie dokie guys, well that finished, and yeah, now the last thing you can do, and I definitely recommend doing this, especially if you're, well actually never mind, I only recommend doing this if you're extremely low on space. Basically you can compress this drive to save disk space. If you check that, it'll take probably about, for me it took like 2 hours. But I have like 128 gigabyte solid state, so if you have more, then it might take longer. I don't know though, depends on how much that you have used up. Anyways, I compressed my drive because I needed a Fortnite update, and I had like less than a gig, and then I compressed it and bam, I had like 25 gigs of storage free. So even though this sounds really good, it does have some downsides to it, so I only recommend doing it if you really are low on storage space. So yeah, those are 3 simple ways to clean up your disk space. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed, and bye. Oh, and PS guys, we are on the road to 50 subs. We have about 25 right now, so just saying, and it would help out greatly if you subscribed. So yeah, and if you're wondering why I'm doing tutorials, because my computer isn't that good at recording gaming videos at the moment. So anyways, yeah, bye.